All right, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am going to make a really easy breakfast, or you could call it even like a nourishing snack for the next few days. I like to keep things simple when I'm meal prepping because our brain gets decision fatigue and I just want to have nourishing foods to just grab and go. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a scale. I recommend using a scale when you are in the process of doing things to measure things out, especially things like peanut butter and, I'm going to use my Greek yogurt. So this is Greek yogurt. I like to use the unflavored one. However, in my grocery pickup, they gave me the vanilla, whatever. So you take your Greek yogurt and you're going to portion it out for 175 grams. Get it as close as you can. What's really fun about this little chia pudding that I'm making is that it's super nutritious, it's yummy, and it keeps me nice and satiated for several hours. Here comes my cat. No, Phoebe, no. So I'm going to make for 3 days worth. So I like to keep things simple, as I said. I eat this chia pudding in the morning or when I'm breaking my fast. I'm going to add a little bit of honey. Just a little bit of honey in each to sweeten it off. The next game changer, obviously, if you're making a chia pudding, is you need chia seeds. So what I love about chia is it's full of omega-3s. It's got some good fiber. It's a good fat. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons in each jar. I think it's going to take me longer to film this than it is to make it. Here is where you're going to use your milk of choice. It could be almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. It could be whatever liquid you want to add. I'm just going to use I buy this protein milk. My kid loves it. You just literally need a little bit. You could measure it out. Kind of contradicting with saying I measure out my yogurt but not anything else much, but that's fine. It's going to have a nice little consistency like this. So because we're making 3, we're just going to measure. We're going to just mix all 3. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to add some fruit. So I love berries. Berries are very nutritious. They're a superfood. So let's put the milk cover on. So chia, we already have that. So I'm going to just take some frozen raspberries. If you have fresh fruit, go for it. I tend to really love these chia puddings with raspberries and blueberries. And that is it. This took more time setting up to film than it did to make. Then I'm going to just cover it, put a little lid on it, each one. And I grabbed the wrong lid for this, so we're not going to make a big deal, but this is it. Let me know if you try this recipe and if you add extra things or swap different things out. I would love to know, and thank you for being here. Be brave, be bold, be you. Get that protein and fiber in.